understand. Cause I'm saying that for you, I